Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up? So to start off the morning, we got futures slightly green. Gonna go ahead and move this price line to yesterday's high. And we can see that in about 5 minutes, we're probably gonna open up right near this high. So if we can't get above yesterday's highs in the S&P or the NASDAQ, then we'll probably have a choppy day. Maybe some inside kind of action until, you know, the market pushes in one direction or another. So we could also look at yesterday's low, which is right about here. Yesterday we had a nice rally. We'll see if it continues today. But most stocks just look like the market in general. So why would we, you know, buy the stock that looks like the market when we could just buy the market, like a SPY, call, debit spread, or something like that? We want to look at the stocks that are actually outperforming the market. Like I posted in the pre-market prep, Shopify, kind of one of them. Yesterday it had a pretty decent rally as well, and it's trading a little higher pre-market. But Shopify looks a lot stronger on the daily chart rather than, you know, the S&P. They both look like they're breaking out. Shopify's a little ahead. But yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to look at stocks that are bucking the trend. But yeah, some stuff I'm looking at is Visa, Zoom, and CRM. I have positions on all three of those. Pretty much Visa went sideways and it started breaking out yesterday, so I added some long calls on Visa with about 20 days till expiration on them, so I won't get hurt on the time decay. But I really think Visa could get up to at least 205, 206, and potentially up to 210. Zoom kind of just lagged yesterday. It was pretty boring, but nothing crazy. Nothing to be worried about. Still inside this range. And we can see the range is getting tighter and tighter. So we'll see what Zoom wants to do today. Plan on holding that. Also got a bullish position on Zoom. One sec. So we want to look at stocks that are kind of gapping up pretty strong today. Take a look. Tesla, nope. Visa, normal action. What else we got? Apple, nope. Facebook, nope. Netflix, nope. Roku, kinda. Square, nope. Amazon, nope. Work, nope. So everything just looks the same, looks just like the market. So see what kind of action we get here today. Oh, what's gold up to? Let's check out gold. Gold, so far so good. I'm gonna put alerts there in gold. I have some long calls on gold for a longer term position. I don't like short term positions on gold. I like, I like to be in for a couple months. So I have calls that expire in June 2021 on gold. Take a look at Amazon. We got alerts on the ticks. Ticks opening up very positive. If you checked out my video from yesterday about the ticks, you know what I'm talking about. So we opened up plus 1,000. That's some strong buying at the open. We'll see if it fades. Amazon, we might be able to do some kind of put credit spread. Let me see. So I'm looking at Amazon. Let's see what we could do here. Looking to sell a put credit spread. Let's modify these a little bit. $9.50. So the risk to reward on this one's like 1-to-1. So I'm gonna try and get, oh, not gonna get $9.50. It's a 1-to-1 setup. Just trying to sell an at the money put credit spread. Sometimes you just got to keep modifying it. It's not a home run trade at all. Just a regular setup. There we go. All right, so I got filled on that. Basically, you just need Amazon to stay here, go sideways, and we'll collect some premium on that credit spread. So let me just post this in my room real quick. was down on, it's down on light volume, so, and it gapped down a little bit, so I'm thinking we get a bounce. Nothing huge, nothing huge. But yeah, that's that. Amazon. So Amazon's up and running. Do you think S&P 500 will reach 3,500 this week? I have no clue. If I knew, it would make it a lot easier. But as of now, the market's still in this just neutral zone. If we take out 3420s, then potentially, yeah, we could go see 3,500 soon. But I don't think we'll make all-time highs. I could be very wrong. I think we might jump up to 3,500 and then violent right back down to maybe like 3,000. It's gonna be like we have the election coming up in 3 weeks, or less. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that. Yeah, this is the Amazon position. So you short the 31.75s and then you buy the 31.55s. So it's like, well, the size I put, it's a 5% position. So 5,000 to make 5,000 pretty much. But if you bought one, it's like $900. It's called a put credit spread. Zoom, I'm holding Zoom. I don't know how long I'll hold Zoom. Zoom. So here's Zoom. I have the 480 by 520 debit spread. And then I also bought some naked 420 calls. They both got about 10 days till expiration. So worst case, we're holding it for 10 days. Could take a couple more days from today. Visa, I have some naked calls on Visa. Here's Visa. 200 calls. October 23rd. So they got about 17 days till expiration. But I think Visa could get up to that 210. And let's see, you know, where price will be if we do get to 210 by, let's say, like next week or something. So these are the ones I have. There's a lot of open interest on them. Would you guys buy them all? Shit. I don't think I have 5,000 members in here. But if you want to see what the price of these contracts would be, like in the future, go to Theo price, change this. Let's say, you know, by next Friday, Visa's at 210. Then these contracts would be worth $10.85. Right now they're $7.20. So about $300 per contract. So yeah, $300 per contract. Probably make about 3,000 on this if that's what happens. Hopefully Visa is higher by then. But yeah, that's the Theo tool up here. Beyond Meat pumping. What's happening to SPX? It's pulling back, failing to break out of yesterday's high. I don't see anything abnormal though. Yeah, ZM, I'm not worried about lockdowns and shit. I'm just trading the pattern. Exxon actually had a nice gap up. Zoom, another slow day so far. Only 10 minutes in. Bad Amazon. What do you do on your long-term account to stay backed from inflation? What do you mean? S&P might drop to the low 3,000. Maybe. I would buy the dip there. I want inflation. Inflation's good. Pump everything. Dude, that's funny. You sound like Elliot from Mr. Robot. I don't know who the hell that is. I never seen that movie, but I was grabbing coffee one day, and I had my hoodie up, and it was the morning, so I had the mean mug on, and she was like, "You look like Mr. Robot," and I was like, "Thanks." I had no clue who the fuck Mr. Robot was. I was like, all right, I'm Mr. Robot today. No, these are all 30-minute charts. I mean, if you're looking at a 5-minute, then you're like, oh my God, market's crashing. Oh, it's a TV show, huh? The Fed's talking? What the hell is this guy gotta say? Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking like. Broom. Black hoodie up. Don't talk to me type of mood. Fed Powell at 1040. Oh my God. Well, I don't expect anything to change, so shouldn't be too crazy. Probably get some violent chop because the algos fire away on these exact events. I had a walnut cinnamon cake for breakfast just now. How about that? Talking about balance sheet, yeah. Balance sheet. Zoom is still pretty normal action. I'm not really not worried about this yet. Sideways, sideways, sideways. If anything, it's building up for some kind of squeeze action. Let's go trap some shorts. But yeah, that's the good thing about how I trade. I already know what the maximum pain I'm gonna have on the trade is. So if this thing goes to shit, I know the exact amount I'll lose. That 5%. So it just keeps me more comfortable holding on like pullbacks like this. Like, oh, okay, nothing to worry about here. If we gap down, you know, to 420, then I'm like, oh shit. That's a little more to worry about. But yeah, it just comes down to managing your risk trading. Yes, I got my withdrawal from Top Step. It hit my bank like last week or something. Yes, indeed. So yeah, we see that the ticks opened up positive 1,000. Guess what? Faded back down to the mean, the middle. So the buying wasn't able to hold this morning. And I made a video about the ticks yesterday on this YouTube channel, so you could go check that out. It's just pretty much the gas tank of the markets, how much pressure buyers and sellers are applying. Oh, I forgot about CRM. What's he doing? Oh, nice. Above 250. Good, good, good. CRM's is slow and steady. ZM's more of a pain in the ass here, but still manageable. Amazon, bad Amazon. Pretty much just needed to stay in this range above 31.75 actually. But I didn't get that. I didn't get this week's. I got next week's expiration. Fidelity is a good broker, yes. Boeing, I don't like Boeing. I hate Boeing actually. Oh, that's AB. BA. Too much baggage with this damn stock. CMG, this is looking nice. When's earnings on Chipotle? Chipotle, 1021. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Chipotle to new highs. Inflation can destroy investors' purchasing power, sometimes declines on return on investment depending on inflation rate. But you do something to beat inflation? No, I want to be in before the inflation happens. Like, inflation's probably going to hit real estate in the next couple of years. It's not like something that happens overnight. The Fed's been trying to get inflation forever, and they're finally doing it. It's not the worst thing. It will boost real estate values. We're already getting stocks that are inflated, so I don't know what you're saying. How to back myself from it? Just know your risk? I don't know. That question is above my pay grade, sir. I have no clue. But you want to go with the inflation. Investors get rewarded with inflation. But inflation, I'm looking at Chipotle. Let's see what's going on here. What can we do? Damn, you guys are running Chipotle up. I'm looking at some potential plays. All right, I'm filled on CMG. It's got earnings in a couple days, or no, a couple weeks. So we could get a potential run up before earnings. So there, I got some Chipotle, potential earnings run. Bought a 1300 call, which is out of the money, but we could buy out of the monies. We have a strong daily pattern, and we got a potential for earnings run. And the expected move here, we could see is 110 by October 23rd. So that's 2 days after the earnings. $110, big move. So those expire in 17 days. Jesus Christ, Chipotle's going nuts. No, there's no difference between a normal weekly call. Yeah, if you want to do a spread for CMG, you could do a spread, go to vertical, and we're thinking it's going to 1300, right? So we'll do like a, let me check that out, hold on. We could do 1300 by 1305, that's about $3, but that risk to reward's not too good. So you could do something like a 1280 by 1300, that's $20 wide, so probably a one to two. Or even 1270 by 1300, that looks a little better. That's a 1-to-1 still though. So you want to do something a little wider. It's going to cost a little more, but not as much as this. Wow, what's going on here? CRM's ripping. Zoom's trying to get back. Alright, so far so good. So yeah, this is what I got so far. Amazon, CMG, CRM, GLD, V, and Zoom. $3,000 for the day so far. Need Amazon to join the party. Chipotle, oh my god. Wow. No, I'm not in Shopify. Chipotle, oh my Christ. Oh my god. Yeah, $40. That was $10 ago, buddy. What happened? Ooh. TD Ameritrade is the broker I'm using. Jesus. Yeah, Chipotle's thin. So, I don't know. People watching this stream, we might have just ran it up. Because guess what? Every time you buy calls, the broker's got to sell calls, or the market maker's got to sell them to be on the other side, right? And then to hedge it, they buy the stock. So that's why if a lot of people buy it in something thin like Chipotle, we could run it up. Don't tell anybody. Is Amazon a play running up to battery day, Prime Day? No. Amazon is just a weak gap down, low volume. I just want it to go sideways. Sold a put credit spread. No, my Discord's free, but if you want I send out alerts too, so like whenever I get into a trade, I'll just post it in there. That is a monthly fee, yes. And you also get access to these live streams and some videos. Today is actually public. This stream is public right now. That was an accident, but whatever. Whatever. I like giving freebies. Apple. Nothing really to see here with Apple. Same thing as Amazon though, just a light gap down. Could probably do the same thing with Apple. Sell a put credit spread. Jesus. Yeah. Jeez, Chipotle, relax. I'm going Chipotle today. Look at this thing. Damn burritos. Relax, Chipotle, relax. What up? Watch, you're gonna see on like CNBC. Stocks that are moving today, Chipotle. Set some alerts in NASDAQ. Looks like it's trying to rally. Ticks are positive. S&P is trying to break yesterday's high. Yeah, that's a good target for S&P. So I've got about 6 positions on. One of them's really long term though. So if I want to add anything new, I gotta take something off. I don't really like having too many positions open. Too many. Yes, I bought some kicks yesterday. S&P, yes it is, breaking above yesterday's high. That is bullish. What else? Yes, this charting software is free with my broker. Amazon. RIP my Amazon credit spread. Nah, it's alright. Still looks great. What is the site you referenced? Flow Algo. Flowalgo.com. Haven't really been paying attention to it too much. I want to build my own Flow Algo. If anybody codes in here, hit me up on Discord. Jeez. There goes S&P. Yeah, I don't trade forex anymore. Options and futures and stocks. What was I looking at? What's P-Ton up to? 112, motherfucker. My favorite dividend stock is AT&T. Thing is boring, doesn't really move. Yeah, forex moves kind of slow. I don't know. I was only trading forex when I had, a smaller amount of capital to trade. Now that I got a lot, gotta kind of be more protective. And options gives you a lot of leverage and different strategies you can use. Whereas forex is kind of just, it's gotta go up or it's gotta go down. Always directional. Yeah, I took some trades today. Just took a trade on CMG. Bought the 1300 call that expires in 17 days. Hopefully it just chills out. But yeah, I'm still in CRM, I'm still in Visa, I'm still in ZM, and then I added an Amazon put credit spread. Visa's performing the best here. No, I'm not in a futures trade right now. Yeah, Chipotle is just a potential earnings run-up trade. So we got earnings October 21st. Weekly chart looks good. Daily chart looks like it's going sideways, trying to break out. So I bought an out of the money call, 1300 call, which is kind of if it just breaks above this resistance right here. Could run, get one of those squeeze type moves up. And we got earnings, so usually we get some run up in stocks before their earnings and then kind of dead after earnings or the day of earnings. So that's the idea behind this one. Intraday chart, 30-minute, kind of been going sideways here as well. Starting to break out. So yeah, that's pretty much CMG. That's got 17 days till expiration. Also trying to short some calls that expire this week, so like the 1325 calls. Could sell those, collect some premium. And then obviously if it blows through 1325, that's a good problem to have. That means the long calls are going to be making money. Visa, I just bought naked calls. October 23rd, 200 calls. They're like $7.80 right now. Bought 10 of them yesterday at under $7. Yeah, I mean, you can make money in any market. It's really what you like the best. Forex, options, stocks, futures, whatever. I like options the best. And then the occasional futures trade. Those are always short-term futures trades for me. Don't really like holding futures trades for too long. They're kind of harder to hold. All right, what do we got here before I get out of here? So I'm like 75% cash right now, which I don't really like going over 70 or under 70, however you wanna call it. So I got about $30,000 floating in the stock market air right now. And guys, everything's relative to your own account. So like me, my general position size is always going to be 5%. 5% though. So like if I have a 100 grand account, I'm only buying 5,000 worth of calls or puts or whatever. What type of account do you recommend open beginners? Just use Thinkorswim. Zoom, yeah, it's boring, right? Gotta like poke it with a stick. Come on, do something. Yeah, I got you. I think the free Discord is going pretty well. I like putting as much free shit I can that won't get the private members pissed off. But yeah, you can message me all day if you're in that private room. Tesla looks weak, kinda. Tesla is kinda just balancing out up here after that huge run up. It's a normal stock again. It's not the Tesla that we know that just squeezes people to death. Right now, it's just back to normal. Just a normal stock, Tesla. For now, at least. Yeah, out of the money without a spread. I knew somebody was going to say something. Tesla holding about 420.69 support. Yeah, if you look at a 5-minute, yeah, this thing looks like death, right? But don't get too focused on the smaller ones, smaller time frames. Private chat is 99 bucks. And you'll make that back on one trade every month. You would have made it back on Chipotle today. Whoever still has Peloton, God bless you. Trail your stops. I can't buy it up here, but if you're already in it, it's nice. Good one. What do you want to hold, Tesla? Yeah. I'll buy more under 400. What was last Friday's low? Oh, yeah, it's already taken that out, huh? Or 415. Hiccups. Oof. 415, yeah. Doesn't really look like it's gonna hold that. Tesla. How's my RKT doing? Oh yeah, we good. Key gamma level 30, 410, huh? Nice. You could use interactive brokers if you're international and not in the US of A. Use interactive broker. Now we got this bozo talking in 10 minutes. Fed Chair Powell. Shouldn't be calling him a bozo though, because he blessed the stock market. I mean, look at this. Look what he did, him and his peoples. Fucking crazy. That is just nuts. Every time I look at this chart, I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. See if we can work our way back up here in Amazon. I'm trying to get 50% of the spread for a profit target. Ow, my back. So it was about $9.50. So like half of that is where we would want to take profits. So like $4 something, $4.75 I believe is where we would want to exit. So I'm gonna get out of here. 10:30. Chipotle looking great. Zoom is looking okay. Just kind of being a pain in the ass here, but nothing out of the norm. Visa is looking good. I like that. CRM's looking great. I like that. So yeah, just gonna hold out on these positions. Not gonna add anything here. Pretty heavily loaded up at the moment. So yeah, I'll keep you posted in the trade room, the private room. I'll post some stuff in the free Discord too, some shit that I'm seeing. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym or something and get away from the screens. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Subscribe. I'm sure you're subscribed already. But no, if you get the options course, that does not give you access to the private chat. Yeah, I guess I gotta go eat Chipotle today too. Wasn't planning on it, but you know, whatever. Gotta feed the chickens. Oh, what the hell is that? Move. So yeah, I'll post these links over here. They're already down below in the description. If you wanted to get in there, highly suggest it. And yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. You could cancel anytime, yeah. So if you want to just join for a month, try it out, cancel right away, you can. I don't suggest it because you might want to stay. But yeah, there's the course. You'll learn all these strategies that I'm using in that course. No contract. I'm not trying to pick your pockets, don't worry. But it pays for itself. Ask the people in the room. But yeah, I'm out of here. Holding out on Zoom, V, GLD, CRM, CMG, and Amazon. Keep you posted in the chat. And I'll update the free Discord on these two since some of you are in here. How do I cancel my Major League Trading subscription? You gotta DM Major League Trading on Instagram or something. I am not part of Major League Trading anymore. Running my own show like I used to before that. But yeah, I haven't been with Major League Trading for a couple months now, so if they're still charging you for my stuff, go DM him or support@majorleaguetrading.com. But yeah, I'm not part of that company no more. Nothing wrong with them. Still cool with them. Just do my own shit. So yeah, see y'all later. I'm headed to the gym. It's nice outside. I might go for a run. Get away from these screens. You don't got to sit in front of the screens all day to make money. Put on your trades, know your risk, and then just kind of monitor them throughout the day. That's what I'm doing. See you guys later. That's the 10th fucking time I said that now, so for real this time. I'm out. Thanks for watching.